The most famous reindeer of all.
Charles.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Ocean Cove 29. Sorry about my nails, I don't know, it's peeling off. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my new paper squishies. Some of these aren't new, I just wanted to squish them for you all because I wanted to make a video. And yeah, so let's just get started. First we have these Christmas dots, and I really like this one. It's one of my favorite squishies I've done. I don't know, I just really like the design. It's cherry lime. Oh, the flavors are cherry lime and vanilla gumdrops. Next, I have these Frosty Nerds, and this one took me a long time to draw, and I kind of messed up this part and this part, but I still think it looks good. I like it, so. Next, we have this Hershey's Candy Cane chocolate bar. I really like this one. It's really squishy and stuff, so yeah. Next, I have this Hershey's Cookies and Cream bar, and this one isn't Christmas themed, but I just made it because, I don't know. But I like this one as well. The coloring looks a little different on camera. In real life, it's, the background's darker, you know. I like this one, so yeah. Next, I have this Pocky, and this is also not a Christmas themed one. I just made this one right now, actually, so it is really, really squishy, like very slow rising. And this Pocky is definitely one of the easier designs, so if you are looking for something to make quite quick and that's not that difficult, I recommend drawing Pocky. Then I have these Hostess cupcakes, and I already showed this one, but it is kind of a newish one. I don't know. Also, by the way, go watch my paper squishy collection in order to see all of these squishies. Then I have this peppermint. This is also not new. From now on, the squishies I'm squishing are just ones from my collection that I've already shown. But yeah, here's some ASMR. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Also, I just want to say some of my comments have been getting erased and disappearing. It's not me who's doing it, it's YouTube. I'm not sure why, but sorry if I don't see some of your comments. And also, I hope everyone has an amazing Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. And yeah, so see you next time. Bye.